Wadaguan. Peace and love. Man, so I got the, what is this? Lead. Yeah, lead life. Lead the way. Lead way. Lead life. Capsule filling machine. Size 0. So size 0 is going to fill capsules that are 500 milligrams. All right, so that's what I use personally. So now this is it's a real simple process, you know. It's not really hard, but I know that there are some people out there that's just now getting into this healing world in this field of herbology and natural healing. And a lot of people are like, man, where the hell do I start? You know, like where? Where do I start? How do I get a capsule filling machine? What capsule filling machine is quality? All right, the reason why I really love LeadLife capsule filling machines, just to show you all like just the perks. First off, it's not the Chinese one, okay, that don't come with any kind of instructions or anything like that. So this thing comes with full instructions, all right, front and back, all right, showing you step by step the entire process, okay. Also, another thing that's really neat is that you get this little package in here, all right, and it comes with your topper for your basically like powder packer. Okay, it's a tamper top is what it's called. All right, but you know basically you stamp this down to pack down the powder into the capsules or whatnot to continue scraping and filling so that you get the capsules jam packed with the herbs in it. All right, so but it comes with a little screwdriver for you, okay, to assemble everything perfectly. Also comes with like a little spoon that you can use or whatnot to scoop the herbs into the capsule filling machine. And then you have your little scraper board or whatnot to scrape the herbs in. So yeah, the Chinese capsule filling machine that I had previously purchased at first initially didn't come with any instruction manual. It didn't come with no little neat packaging like this. Damn sure didn't come with a screwdriver. And I had to struggle just to find a screwdriver just to get my damn thing on top of my tamper top. You know, it's crazy. Pretty much all you want to do is just unscrew simply this here, righty tighty, lefty, you already know. So we taking these completely out. And we're going to line them up exactly with these holes. Okay, so they are going to go, the screws are going to go in through the bottom. Okay, so those two holes right there, that's where you're going to put each one of these screws. All right. Both of them in. So now we're aligning this up right here onto the bottom. from underneath, you know. All right. Now you got your top safely secured. And how this whole setup, how I usually set it up, possibly may be a lot different from, you know, how some of you may set yours up. But, you know, this is your bottom right here. Okay. So that's the bottom of it right there. So that part right here is going face down on the table. Okay. So you got this part right here sticking upward. You got this here. All right. And this here is just pretty much like you got your safeguards. All right. Your edges, so that your herbs stay contained on this as a base, all right, and they don't slide off. So with your scraper, you'll be basically scraping, you know, side to side to get all of the herbs down into the hole, all right, and let's set that right there. Put your capsules inside of there, your 0 capsules. Make sure that, you know, they're all facing upward or whatnot. You're going to put your herbs in, scrape them in, pack them down a couple times, you know, make sure everything is in there. And you're good to go. Pretty much I just wanted to show you all how to basically do a basic assembling so that you can start your journey as a healer and get started with healing the world. All right? Peace and love, man. I love y'all.
Don't you all ever forget, gratitude is always key.